Comic lettering. You don't just read it, you hear it. Your brain creates a full soundscape. Every font, bubble shape, and tail position in comics secretly controls your perception. Jagged bubbles often mean screaming or explosions, demanding a loud internal voice. Smooth, round ones signal calm dialogue. Wobbly, whisper thin text in tiny bubbles. That's your internal monologue leaning in, hearing hushed secrets. And fonts. Bold, erratic letters for monsters. Delicate, cursive for magic. They trigger unique auditory responses. Your brain's a secret sound studio, making full soundtracks from static images. What iconic comic sound do you hear? Subscribe for daily facts.